No complaints.
Nice. So that was
Yeah.
Hlangana la passage kuleyo. Chobra nathi nshani Fandeni.
Ungaphambani.
That's what he does for a living. Right.
Awuphambene.
Lento kuyatshela ngathi ngathi traumatized. Ukhulumela phansi kanti right. Nehlutshwa mina ngifuna ukuphuma phansi isigcwele.
Phambene.
Abantu bawina ama-award, abantu bawini banemali ama-album aya gold, bathenga izimoto, unathi uvanga venture. And for that ufuna ngabela venture dizirenkele. Lethushwa ngabantu nathi nemali, thatha mali.
Hayi kaloku ubhadlilo nathi akafani nani
bathi. TV le mbona uthi ubejele, lo TV lo nathi ubone. TV le uthi wonle dali yenza naye. And right, Bob. And it's nice when Bob asks questions.
Yeah.
And Bob is the thing about. I don't know why Bob always wants to. This is the first time Bob was in 4 papers in a 7 p.m. news bulletin.
Tell me what happened.
For utukwatisa uteraj.
Yeah.
Why yini kinga yakho jo? Umama lo bekala mama lo akuyizo lo bekala namhlanje.
Umama unyembe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Makafela hey njani mama, thank you. Oh Khuli, over to you. Okay. Teraj Khuli was like Khuli akat. Yonke imbuzo yayali. But to understand you, bro, Bob is saying, when is the next time Bob also interview Ucharaj? Chances are it will never happen.
Do you know what I mean?
So Bob would say, "No opportunity." So tell us about your birthday. Is it 9/11? Yes. So on your cake you have a hand grenade.
It was in the news.
So did you explode to what happened on a birthday? Do you commemorate or do you celebrate? Chirach was like, who in the hell? So your baby daddy died? Wow. Did he die on 9/11?
Polly Ben.
So you have a son? And his dad, so he was born. Chirach was like, can you talk about cooking? I don't care about cooking. I don't even watch the show. I want to talk about you. So tell us, you look very happy, but you are very sad. 4 newspapers, 2 online, 7 p.m. news channel, Joe. Very famous DJ. Here's a pop. We smile off 26 years of reign. Moshe interview one. Moshe career so you explode. So on 9/11, do you stay home or do you take your hand grenades? What do you do? But at the same time, no one knew when she was.
Hello.
Born. Like terrorist attack. Heavy petty terrorists. But you know, my terror South Africa. Gopi. Oh, but Pop. No, what was in there? But she beg a goopy. Shoprite. That's it. Tell her the 50 pound. Iskopti polo. Simfuna ngakuphi. Simbambe siqhubeke impilo zethu. Asinaloko sivikana nabantu abafaka amabomb thina. Kuna special Shoprite namhlanje oqala. Sonke sela 50% off siya lapha. Abasho ukuthi bazobe bakhona labantu lapho ori singayi thina. Asifulfill into singazazi. Basiphoma senzeni. Sithatha nje imali. Sinabafundisi abagibela abantu ngeemoto. Alekhandri lena. Ubaba na use stadium ukhuluma ibhedaya ukuthi the future of this country is in South Africa. I'm like, Babalan the country. Yeah, confidence. The future of this country is in South Africa. Ngathi kanti ubani Mr. Sakho English. Vumo kama trukaze primary vumo you. Penny and Betty was a boy. Penny was a girl or a boy. He is Betty and the boys. Who did you?
It would be nice if you went back to school, though, you know? I mean, can you imagine how many people Msholozi would inspire if he got his matric? Yeah. Seriously.
Hi, Papa. Oh, hold on, dog. Sorry to disturb you. Hold on. Got his matric. Ngicela ngo4. Awumani populalela jo. Awumani vele ushoot straight. Ngoba somdala wena ne? Vele ye matric. Hayi, uyaka 4. Uyaka 5. Umeli report ilanda abazali report abayiniwe. Awuyabona report kababa ilanda abazali nabazali angisebahamba. Fanele ngilanda umakhumalo vele.
Sala the report
Ka 5.
Sala the report.
Ufaka uniform leso sikhathi uthini. Lala mathayi wabo lawo ama-stripe, wala ama-stripe. Hamba nabo gwede. Nabo baleka mpethe. We want to see your results. We want to see.
Hoping passing. Sala the report kababa.
Cela abazali bahlale phansi le-primary abanamsebenzi nana. Cela abazali bahlale ngapha. Bese. Vosibahlasela. Azuma makhe. Hey, abafundi mabayalova. Petrut kunamagabanyana sinaksa ngithi. Gertrude. Gertrude. Kehlekisa. Sokuba yonke into ama-security bahlala phansi.
Uhambe njani umfana?
Shukuma. Uzamile shemyena.
Hawu phasila.
Kana e-high school cabanga usayi-high school. Ngalama specs. Uyothi afika ka-matric kuyobe kushona abantu abayingakhi pop. Awumani uye ku-matric baba.
Uyasebenza uya laphana.
Yeah.
Ukupost matric ayikho ipost.
The future of this country is in South Africa. I'm like,
Siyabonga Teddy.
but I know it was a nice sweet. Cela kamnandi. Cela ngopop vele amosha yonke into kule country. Hawu ngithawu. Bam-attack. Inayinkinga yakhe. Unempendulo ke lo baba. Pop, that interview was wrong. In which way? Thola. You have no right to attack Teraj. Kimang Teraj. But we can't ask the same questions. But we can't. Like, we go 4 radio stations, bro. All those radio stations ask the same question. The same questions, good. Same questions. Ngachagazu yablo. No gazu yablo. But say about you pop Pop spice kile ma. At the same time, why should we treat abantu bangaphandle as ngendlela different?
Abasiboni bona. Thina siyazibona.
Uzithole ibukhwalila. Ufika uhlala la. Asengabhoreke kanje la. You know this my music.
Boring.
Like Joe. No, khona mandoza la. Yangabi kumnandi la studio. Umandoza awudiya vele sikikoti zola.
Samshebelele.
Like ngithola ngabe kune life. Hayi mina vele ngibathathi. Mina vele ngusikhumba ngibathathi serious. Anginamsebenzi nabafundi. Futhi ngibukele le show mina.
But that's the thing, you know what I mean?
I don't think that show is good.
I've never watched that TV show. So and I knew other presenters because it was what we call a junket.
Yeah.
Where they line up everybody at the same time and they, so welcome to the motherland. Oh hell no! What motherland? She wasn't born here. Oh hell no!
When you follow ngoma ka Jolina sibala ugeli akathuli mara mokuyimadaland uzale be Davidton eshona ema 7 ayivula